It's Chris McKinney, Baxter Toyota, Lincoln, Nebraska, here to give you a quick walk around of a 2016 Toyota 4Runner Limited Blizzard Pearl. So, as you can see, we are in the service bay. It got a little dark on me earlier. So, as we're coming around the side of the car here, you see the projector beam headlamps, the integrated fog lamps, 20-inch wheel and tire package, color keyed mirrors. This also has the smart key on it, as all the Limiteds do. Coming inside, we have the black interior with the ventilated and perforated heated front seats. Okay, you get a 10-way adjustable driver's seat, 4-way adjustable passenger seat. Okay, on the steering wheel here we have your park assist, power mirrors, radio controls, volume for your stereo, mode, Bluetooth controls for your phone, and your voice operation, so you can actually push this and train it to do voice commands.
How may I help you?
Which is a very cool feature. This model also comes with integrated navigation, AM, FM, XM, Bluetooth audio, USB port, auxiliary, 3.5mm jack, and a CD player. So, auto dimming rear view mirror, 1, 2, 3 home link buttons, power tilt and slide moonroof, and a free year of safety connect. Independent climate control for both the driver and the passenger. Here's your USB auxiliary port. Here's your heated and ventilated seats for both the driver and the passenger. 12-volt outlet. Your 4-wheel drive control knob is right here. And one of my favorite features on the 4Runner, the power rear window. Coming around the outside of the vehicle, this one has the same leather pattern throughout the interior of the vehicle, so you do get the perforated leather. For the second row, you get some heating and air conditioning vents there, and two 12-volt outlets for your backseat passengers in case they want to charge their phone or whatever they need to do. You also get the fold flat rear second seat. Okay, this one comes with the carpeted mat set, and as you can see right here, there's also the integrated third row that sits up. You got your 110 outlet and another 12-volt port right there. Coming around the back of the vehicle, you can see the parking assist sensors here and here. There and there. Integrated receiver hitch. Backup camera. Sliding rear window. This is your second row access, or your third row access right here. Slides forward so you can step up and in. Power windows, power locks. And your 20-inch wheel and tire package. So that's a 2016 Toyota 4Runner Blizzard Pearl Limited. Thank you. Have a great day. If you'd like to see this or any of the other great Toyota vehicles we have here, give me a call, Chris McKinney, 402-301-5987. I'd love to set up an appointment for you to take a test drive.